The following message is being broadcast at the request of the Haddonfield Police Department. At approximately 8:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, multiple emergency calls were received reporting suspicious activity and disturbances in the residential areas of Haddonfield, Illinois. Law enforcement has confirmed that at least 2 individuals have been found deceased in separate locations within town limits. The circumstances of these deaths are considered highly unusual and are currently under investigation. Until further notice, residents of Haddonfield are strongly urged to remain indoors with doors and windows locked. Refrain from answering the door to unfamiliar individuals. Report any suspicious activity or persons immediately by dialing 911. Law enforcement is conducting active patrols throughout the night. Please stay tuned to local media outlets for further updates.